Guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to show you how we are going to fix any camera issue with your LG Stylo 4 Plus. Definitely if you go into camera and for some reason it came back out, or if you go into camera and it told you that camera has stopped work, you want to go to settings here. Then you want to look for apps or applications, right? All depends on the system version that you are currently on. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to apps. We want to go to app info, right? So you want to locate the camera app. So we located it. You want to click on it. Then you want to go to storage. You want to clear the data. Ensure that the cache is cleared as well. But if you clear the data, everything should clear, right? So it will delete the app data. So now if there's an issue with your camera that occurred, you can open your camera and your camera will open as if it's brand new when you got your phone, and you hit OK later, and as you can see, our camera is working. If you're still having this problem, another thing in which you can do is a force restart. You want to do this by hitting the volume down, the power button. This is to restart the device. So if it happens that your phone system accumulated some kind of Android error, or something is not functioning properly with your motherboard, this will clear your phone memory. This will help your phone to function and work effectively. So guys, these are some things in which you can do to get your camera working again. The other thing in which you can try, guys, is definitely to do a factory reset. I hope that this video was helpful to you. You can let me know in the comment section if it was. My name is Lens. Do like, share and subscribe.